Salt, chili flakes, turmeric, ginger, garlic paste. Add in sabut, masoor ki dal, and cook for 25 minutes. Mash it. Add water 2 glass. Add black pepper. Add into tinga. 1 spoon garam masala. Cook for 20 minutes. Ginger, green chili, cumin, curry leaves for turka. After 20 minutes, add oil in a pan. Add garlic. Cook for 2 minutes. Add cumin, cooked for 2 minutes. Add green chili. Cook for 2 minutes. Add curry leaves and cook for 2 minutes. Chicken cube. Cook for 2 minutes. Add into dal. Dal is ready. Salt, garam masala, white cumin, cutting onion, ginger garlic paste, onions. Cook for 3 minutes. Add white cumin. Add ginger, garlic paste. Cook for 5 minutes. Add water. Add garam masala. Add salt. Cook it for 5 minutes. Now add rice. Cook for 20 minutes. Cook more, 10 minutes. Rice is ready.